Welcome to the world of science without bound. In this video, we embark on a journey into the future of healthcare, a future where the impossible becomes possible and the boundaries of medicine are redefined. Imagine a world where classical computers meet their match and quantum computation opens doors to new realms of discovery. We'll explore the new rules of quantum mechanics and how they're transforming the way we understand and treat disease. Discover the groundbreaking collaboration between Cleveland Clinic and IBM, where quantum technology is already making waves in real-world medicine. Witness the dawn of a new era, where quantum algorithms help us outsmart disease and new medicines are born in moments. And as we stand at the threshold of this revolution, we'll reflect on our cosmic responsibility to use these breakthroughs wisely for the good of all. Join us as we leap into the unknown and discover how quantum computing is shaping the lifeline of tomorrow. To understand this revolution, we must face the limits of classical computing. Designing a new drug isn't just matching a key to a lock. It's crafting a key for a lock that constantly changes, surrounded by millions of others. Proteins, the targets of many drugs, are made of thousands of atoms, each interacting in mind-boggling complexity. Classical supercomputers, no matter how powerful, are limited by their binary nature, bits that are either 1 or 0. To solve a problem like drug discovery, they must try every combination, one after another. For simple molecules, this works. For complex proteins, the possibilities exceed the number of atoms in the universe. Even a planet-sized supercomputer would take longer than the age of the universe to simulate all configurations. This is the wall, a computational barrier that slows medical progress to a crawl. We rely on trial and error, abandoning thousands of promising drug candidates for everyone that succeeds. The process is a gamble, based on simplified models that miss biology's true complexity. We glimpse the promise of personalized medicine, but can't reach it. Classical computing has brought us far, but it can't take us further. To break through, we need a new kind of machine. Enter quantum computing. Quantum computers don't just speed things up, they change the rules entirely. Unlike classical bits, quantum computers use qubits, which can be both 0 and 1 at the same time, thanks to superposition. Imagine a million phantom versions of yourself, each trying a different key simultaneously. This parallelism is exponentially more powerful than anything classical computers can achieve. With just a few hundred stable qubits, a quantum computer could outperform the world's fastest supercomputer for certain problems. Quantum entanglement links qubits in ways Einstein called spooky action at a distance, allowing instant complex calculations. This interconnectedness lets quantum computers spot patterns invisible to classical machines. Why does this matter for medicine? Because life itself is quantum. Our bodies, our diseases, our drugs, all operate by quantum rules. Classical computers give us rough approximations. Quantum computers offer high-fidelity simulations. For the first time, we can see and manipulate biology at its most fundamental level. Quantum computing is the tool nature has been waiting for, and it's opening doors we never thought possible. Turning quantum theory into life-saving technology takes vision and partnership. Cleveland Clinic and IBM are leading the charge, forging a bold alliance to accelerate medical discovery. In 2021, they launched the Discovery Accelerator, installing the first private IBM Quantum System 1 at Cleveland Clinic. This isn't just a research tool, it's a clinical weapon, putting quantum power in the hands of medical pioneers. Cleveland Clinic brings expertise in medicine and urgent clinical questions. IBM delivers cutting-edge quantum hardware and software. Together, they bridge the gap between quantum breakthroughs and patient care. Their teams are already tackling drug screening, genomics, and new medical technologies. This partnership is more than a headline. It's a foundational investment in tomorrow's medicine. They're building a quantum workforce, developing new algorithms, and identifying where quantum can make the biggest impact. The goal: translate quantum advances into real-world cures, faster than ever before. Cleveland Clinic and IBM are laying the road to the future, and the journey has already begun. What does quantum medicine look like in practice? Personalized medicine is one answer. Quantum computers can analyze your genome and simulate how thousands of drugs interact with your unique biology. Doctors could prescribe the perfect drug for your version of a disease, tailored to your DNA. In Alzheimer's research, quantum computers can model protein misfolding in the brain, pinpointing where things go wrong and designing molecules to intervene. In the fight against antibiotic resistance, quantum simulations can reveal new ways to attack bacteria, creating drugs pathogens have never seen. These aren't distant dreams. Researchers are already using early quantum computers to simulate small molecules and protein folding. Each breakthrough is a stepping stone, proving quantum's potential to solve medicine's toughest problems. The impossible is becoming inevitable. We're witnessing the first glimmers of a new scientific dawn. Quantum computing is turning unsolvable mysteries into solvable challenges. The future of medicine is being rewritten, one quantum leap at a time, and every step brings us closer to cures once thought impossible. The revolution is underway. The quantum leap in medicine promises a world where cancer is manageable, not fatal. Neurodegenerative diseases could be halted thanks to a complete understanding of their molecular origins. Diagnosis could become instantaneous and perfectly accurate, powered by quantum analysis of your biomarkers. This revolution will democratize discovery. Cloud-based quantum computing will give small startups the same power as pharmaceutical giants. The best ideas, not the biggest budgets, will drive innovation. Treatments for rare and neglected diseases will finally become possible. The road ahead is challenging. Building large-scale, stable quantum computers is a monumental task. We need new algorithms, new software, and a new generation of quantum-literate scientists and doctors. But history shows that when humanity sets its sights on a goal this important, we find a way. We're at a pivotal moment, like the invention of the microscope or the discovery of DNA. Quantum computing gives us a new lens to understand and engineer life itself. The first light of this new dawn is already here. The future of medicine is not just hopeful, it's inevitable. The universe has revealed the strange logic of the quantum realm and handed us the keys. Now, it's up to us to use them. We can be passive spectators or active participants in this journey of discovery. The future of medicine depends on all of us, scientists, patients, and the public. Your curiosity and support matter. Share this story, start conversations, champion science and bold thinking, inspire the next generation to pursue quantum science and medicine, support policies that fund research and education, celebrate pioneers and have patience as they navigate this new frontier. Every leap for humanity began with a community that believed in the possible. Now it's our turn to be that community. Let's create a global conversation about the potential of quantum health. The cosmos has given us the tools. Let's unlock the future together. If you found this journey inspiring, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Help us spread the word and spark curiosity around the world.